Today we're going to help you install your Next Home wall plug. Simply go to the Next Home app and we're going to add our device. Search for Smart Power Strip, confirm that your product is blinking, confirm your Wi-Fi, and please bear a couple seconds or even up to a minute as your product is trying to reach its router. It is imperative that your product is close to your router to maximize the signal strength. Once connected, you can put your smart plug anywhere in your house. Let's say our study. You click done, and here you are. You're smart connected. You have schedule, countdown, individual plugs that can be turned on or off, as well as USB ports.